Good morning, YouTube. So I got some more OnePlus products to check out. OnePlus had come out with Bullet earphones before, earbuds, but they were wired. Now they have come out with their first Bluetooth earbuds. So I'm very excited to get them. I wish they'd gone with true wireless earbuds like AirPods or the new PicPods that I'm really excited about. But here there's a cable across anyway. So let's take a quick look at it. So I bought some other stuff. This is another OnePlus 6 phone and case. And this is the earpods. And another case. Okay, so this is the box. It's a white box with a OnePlus logo on top, so it looks similar to their phone boxes. Similar size to a phone box also. Pretty big box for ear pods or whatever what are they? Bullet pods? Anyway, let's open this. What's written on the back here? OnePlus Bullets Wireless. Okay, let's open it. Wow. I thought that I was looking at a picture first. Oh, I am. It's half a picture. And then that's neat. And there's the actual ear pads. And then what's this? Oh, it comes with a case? I did not expect that. And this thing. Oh, this is nice packaging. So it comes with different wingtips and ear buds. And this case that isn't coming out easily. Is this the case? There we go. What is this? So kind of like a weird silicone thing here, and a nice USB-C cable. I'm so happy to finally have some Bluetooth earphones that charge via USB-C. Okay, so let's take these out now. So what do I do here? Just pull this up? No. Free your music. I would not say this is too easy to unpackage. Oh, there's a tab here finally. There they are. I don't know what I feel about this neck cable here. Not expecting to be a fan of that. There they are. So there's this strange kind of neck thing here. It's very light, so it's not going to be uncomfortable. This actually looks like it will be pretty comfortable. And then there, USB-C to charge. I like this silicone feel that they've used here. So this control has a OnePlus logo and what? One button there. And then nothing here. So there's only one button. Is that it for controls? Just one button? Okay, let me try them on. So they go like this. These things are magnets. Although, with this thing around your neck, these aren't going anywhere. This is not really going to fall off. And now, let's see. I put it in backwards. I put it on backwards. So this is just what the default tips that it came with there. Very comfortable, very light. Very light. I don't like having these wires here. So this would what go like this. Oh. I don't know. I don't know what I think about these. I'll start playing with them and let you know how they work out. Let me go ahead now and pair them with my phone. Settings, Bluetooth, pair a new device. Ooh, tap to pair. I didn't turn them on though. Pair. Ooh, aptX, autoplay, automatically resume music playback, confirmation broadcast. They're very comfortable. And they're on right now. They paired really easily to a OnePlus 6. Oh wow, they're working. I'm listening to them. Let's hear some music. Play Power Glide. Wow, good audio. It's better treble than bass. No bass. Wow. You can turn that on and off. So if I want to pause it, that button is not to pause it, huh? Where's the remote? How do you pause? There's no remote control on this? Are there instructions on how to use this thing? What do the instructions say? Okay, I don't know what's in this. Oh, select ear caps. Use earplug. Most comfortable angle. Oh, there are control buttons? Where the hell are they? Oh, these right here are the control buttons. I didn't even see this. That's a good button. Good buttons. Okay, I'll use them and tell you what I think.